Assalamualaikum friends, you are watching my YouTube channel Malik Technical. First of all, I welcome you all on my YouTube channel Malik Technical. Today I am here with a new amazing token site which name is Hyperino. So today I am going to show you how you can generate a huge profit by buying their tokens from their pre-sale and how we can add their tokens in our wallet. I will give you full review of this token and we also discuss their benefits and their features and all necessary information that we should have in our mind before investing or before buying their tokens. So let's go to their website. And one more thing that I want to tell you before starting my review, that they are starting their pre-sale in 7 hours. So in their pre-sale, they offer a huge benefits for their holders, for their buyers, or if you have to interest to buy their tokens, so let's go and buy their tokens from their pre-sale, because in pre-sale their value will be very low and their price is very low. And if you buy them and hold them in your wallet, so before starting my video in details, I request you all to subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to see my every videos first. So I will give you a little introduction about what is Hyperino. Welcome to Hyper Ecosystem. Hyperino is going to be the governance token which will allow its holder to vote on decisions pertaining to the decentralized finance protocol. Our vision is to take Hyperino's market cap to 100 million USD by Q3 of 2022. We can also discuss diamond member pre-sale will start in 7 hours. Starting date and ending time is mentioned here. Ending date and ending time is mentioned here. Then we discuss about join pre-sale hyper ecosystem hyper gaming platform, a platform that will facilitate multiple free and paid play to earn gains. We are currently in a phase of brainstorming where ideas are being shared and discussed. This platform will have multiplayer PvP battle, farming, real-time strategy and puzzle games. Then we discuss about HyperSwap. The HyperSwap will allow traders to swap their BEP20 and ERC20 tokens for another while maintaining full custody of their tokens. Then we discuss about HyperCEX. HyperCEX is going to be the centralized exchange with staking and launchpad mechanism. Then we discuss about Hyperwallet, a safe and secure decentralized wallet which will support Ethereum and Binance Mainnet as well as testnet. Users can store their precious coins seamlessly. After this, we can also discuss about their token allocation. 40% token sale program, 20% burn, 16% team and founders, 10% reserve fund, 7% marketing. Then we also discuss their token allocation chart. Token allocation chart, token sale program, burn, team and founders, reserve fund and marketing. Then we discuss about their burning plan. 20.25 T Hyperino will be burned in 5 events. Event 1, 4.05 T Hyper 10th November 2021. Event 2, 4.05 T Hyper 30 November 2021. Event 3, 5 T Hyper 20 December 2021. Event 4, 4.05 Hyper 10 Jan 2022. Then we discuss Event 5 4.05D Hyper 30 Jan 2022. After this, we can also discuss about their roadmap. Our team will be continuously striving to complete the planned roadmap for this project. We need support for our community to make Hyperino a leading cryptocurrency. Then we discuss about their pre-sale program for our valuable investors. Diamond member pre-sale. Pre-sale price is mentioned here. Pre-sale quantity 10T hyper. Pre-sale start date 1st November 2021. Pre-sale end date is 8th November 2021. Then we discuss about their platinum member pre-sale. Pre-sale price is mentioned here. Pre-sale quantity 80 hyper. Pre-sale start date 9th November 2021. Pre-sale end date is 15th November 2021. Then we discuss about their golden member pre-sale. Pre-sale price is mentioned here. Pre-sale quantity is 60 hyper. Pre-sale start date 16th November 2021 and pre-sale end date is 20 November 2021. Then we discuss about their silver member pre-sale. Pre-sale price is mentioned here. Pre-sale quantity 60 hyper. Pre-sale start date 21st November 2021. Pre-sale end date is 25th November 2021. Then we discuss about their PancakeSwap listing. Date of listing is 25th November 2021. Listing price is mentioned here. To avoid volatility during the listing, we have kept the pre-sale price and listing price with reasonable differences. This will protect the interest of investors in all programs. During each pre-sale program, there will be rewards for our investors. Follow us on our Twitter handle for more details. You can follow their Twitter handle if you want to get more information. Then we discuss about their exchange listings coming soon. Hotbit, Bitmart, Latoken, XT.com. Security audits expected by 6th or 7th November 2021. You can also copy their contract address if you want to buy their tokens. So after this, we also discuss about their white paper. If you want to get information about, if you want to get information in details regarding their projects, so you need to download their white paper in details. Here you will find out each and every answers of your questions that you have in your mind. For example, if you want to get information about the Hyperino, you can see their white paper. Firstly, we can see their introduction. Hyperino is a blockchain smart contract built on Binance BEP20 protocol. Hyperino is going to build the entire ecosystem within one umbrella of Hyper. Under this ecosystem, we will be building a revolutionizing hyper gaming platform which will enable users to play and earn at the same time. This platform will have multiplayer PvP, battle game, farm game, real-time strategy game, puzzle game, and many more. Apart from this, HyperSwap will allow traders to swap their BEP20 and ERC20 tokens or coins for another while maintaining full custody of their tokens or coins. HyperCX is going to be the centralized crypto exchange with launchpad and staking mechanism. Then we discuss about their Hyper wallet, safe and secure decentralized wallet which will support Ethereum and Binance Mainnet as well as testnet tokens. User can store their precious tokens or coins seamlessly. Then we discuss about their disclaimer. Hyperino including but not limited to the overall project, websites, smart contracts and any apps, games as presented in this conceptual paper is not a licensed, unlicensed or exempted financial or payment service of any kind and in any jurisdiction. Any terminology used in this white paper or on website is intended only as a basic reference without any active or legal meaning of these same terms in a regulated and financial environment. Hyperino is a decentralized and community-driven project and does not have owners, stakeholders, promoters, marketers, managers, directors, or other figures or entities exerting any form of governance. Hyperino's smart contracts are open source, permanent, and non-modifiable in any way. The Hyperino token is strictly utility token in all jurisdictions and cannot be considered as security or otherwise regulated token of any kind. Hyperino is not in any way e-money and or flat money or any asset-backed stable coin, whether global or limited in scope. This white paper taken by itself is not a contract or a contractual agreement of any kind, nor is it an invitation, solicitation, or to invest in acceptations of profit from there. Any user of Hyperino represents and warrants that such user has received appropriate technical and reading this white paper or the website or using any portion or element of Hyperino, including Hyperino token. The user as a result accessing, acquiring or using any kind of blockchain and crypto system, token, platform, software or interface including Hyperino and further disavows any claim of any kind against any community member directly involved with Hyperino for any damage secured including total loss. The company is not a payment processor of any kind and has no control over any sort of payment processing. The roadmap shown in this white paper or website or any other digital platform is a plan only and it does not hold the company liable for any sort of legal actions if company is not able to deliver the products or apps due to any reason. Use at your own risk. We can also discuss about their tokenomics. Name Hyperino, symbol HPE, initial supply is mentioned here, decimal is 9, contract is mentioned here, blockchain, Binance Smart Chain BEP20. Transaction fees or tax nil. Token allocation, we can also discuss we can already discuss their token allocation and burning plan. Pre-sale program, we already discussed about their pre-sale program. We can already discuss about their pancakes swap listing. Then we also discuss about their vision. Take Hyperino's market cap to 100 million USD by Q3 of 2022. Our team is completely dedicated to make this happen within this stipulated timeline. The best way to achieve this target is by completing the planned activities in roadmap. With the support of our community, we are confident that we will achieve this target. What benefit our pre-sale buyers will get? Average pre-sale price is mentioned here. 1 HPE 100 million USD MC is mentioned here. Invested during pre-sale $100. Token received 2.12 B Hyperino. valuation at the rate 100 million MC is also mentioned here. Then we discuss about their roadmap. You can see their roadmap. White paper October 21, website launch October 21, listing on PancakeSwap December 21, listing on multiple exchanges February 22, hyper launched April 22, October 21 hyper in birth, November 1 pre-sale and marketing, January 22 listing on Latoken, April 22 hyperswap, June 22 hyper wallet. Apart from above roadmap, audits listing on CNC and CoinGecko will be scheduled. A roadmap is subject to change with respect to the situation and need. How to buy Hyperino? You will be required BNB in your wallet to buy HPE. This link is mentioned here. For Trust Wallet users, open the app, copy and paste above mentioned link in search bar, click on buy HPE button, connect your wallet, fill the HPE QTY you wish to buy, press buy now. For MetaMask users, ensure you have added the Binance Smart Chain Minute network. If not, then follow below steps to add. Open settings window in MetaMask, click network, click add network, fill details mentioned in image. Click save. You have successfully added the network. Select the added network from network list. Post that open browser window in MetaMask. Follow these steps for Trust Wallet users. So this is the white paper of HyperInno. So after this, I thanks to all to see my complete video. At the end of my video, I recommend you all. At the end of my video, I recommend you all to follow and subscribe their social medias, to follow and subscribe their social medias if you have interest or if you have to buy their tokens. You can also follow their social medias like Twitter or Telegram. So again, thanks to see my complete video. Allah Hafiz.